So yeah, we're now a few days later. I'm fed up of the motherboard, so I got myself one of these. Ugh, it starts shaking. MSI Gaming. So it looks beautiful, and there's a bunch of stuff in here which I've not had a look at. Crosslink. Not quite a sticker, but a badge, I'll take it. Some Blixedas. And, oh, what's this? I'm not here. Gaming motherboard. I'm sorry, I'm busy gaming. So, yeah, that might go on the door. Yeah. Yeah, that looks badass. Hopefully this will solve my problems that I've been having with the upload speeds that ASRock keeps on fucking me over with. So, yes, my beauty, we shall game as soon as I figure out how to take this off, because I've got the water block Corsair thing to put on. Yay. Fun times. Oh, and besides that, I've been getting quite annoyed with not being able to play Doom properly. I got myself one of these Radeon X RX 480s. So, this should be mental. Now, I understand this is not the top of the line card, but it's got to be better than what I'm gaming at the moment. This is probably going to be a lot better than what I've been gaming on. Although, fuck me, that is horrible. But if you don't have it, you need it. But I don't need it, because I have it. Come into the light, my beauty. Ooh. Ooh. So yeah, hopefully this means that I'll be able to play some good games in better quality. So yeah, gaming rig. Let's get an update. Because whenever I pulled it all apart and started cleaning it, I thought, I need something better. And I pulled out all the fans. So, from 7 fans down to 3. 2 pulling in the front and 1 in the radiator at the back. And, quite honestly, this monitor, I think, has had its day. That one, I've just been using the second screen for playing videos. But it's horrid, everything is out of... It's just, like, down and you can't see the toolbar. So it's annoying. So, I thought, you know what, I'll upgrade the monitor as well. So, I got one of these. And you know what's better than one of these? 2 of them. Yes, I bought 2. And this one, you can apparently turn vertical. But what's better than 2 monitors, I wonder? What is better than 2 monitors? What's better than 2 monitors? A beer with the words Dead Pony and by Brewdog. So yes please, I shall have that now. Although having this before I start changing all the parts in the PC is probably a bad idea, but it's been a long day. It's a noose around my neck, hunting vultures as they fly.